Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study factors of polynomials. This is practice set 3.6 of chapter polynomial. First question is find the factors of the polynomials given below. Now factorization method we have already learned in last year in S standard. But again as a revision we have to solve here. Now let's see first. This is the polynomial 2x square plus x minus 1 and we have to find factors of this 2x square plus x minus 1. Now here some rough work we will see. Now here what is coefficient of x square? 2 and what is last term? minus 1. First of all we have to multiply them. 2 multiplied by minus 1. Product of first coefficient and last is equal to, then what is product here? minus 2. Now factors of minus 2. 2 ones are, these are factors. 2 ones are. Now here middle term sign, middle term is second term. What is middle term sign? Plus. Give this sign to the bigger factor. Bigger factor is 2. Give here plus sign. Middle term sign give to the bigger factor. Now what about this? Now here product is negative. Product is negative, that's why sign of smaller will be opposite of this. Here product is negative, that's why sign of smaller factor is opposite of bigger factor. Opposite of bigger factor means minus. And if we add it, 2 minus 1, we get 1 here, plus 1 means middle term. And these are our factors. What is variable? X. Then I write here x. These are factors. Now we have to replace these two factors by middle. Here is equal to, first and last write as it is, 2x square. Now in place of this, put these two plus 2x minus 1x and here last as it is. In first step there were 3 terms, now we got 4 terms because of factorization. After this step we have to group them, group of 2 pairwise. After grouping, take the common if possible, common. Now here is 2, here is 2 common, here is x square, here is x common, and uncommon write in the bracket. Now 2 is common from x square, x is common, what is uncommon? X, plus, and 2x is, whole term is common, 2x, we have taken the whole term common. When we take whole term common, 1 is there, bracket close, minus, now here what is common? 1 here, 1 here, in bracket. Now 1 is taken common, what is left here? X. Now see here sign is minus, but already minus sign we have taken out. When we take minus sign out of the bracket, when we write minus sign out of the bracket, we have to change the sign of last. This is already changed, this also will change, but last here will become plus 1. Next step, now here and here x plus 1 is again common. X plus 1 is here and here also. Therefore x plus 1 is common term and uncommon in second bracket, uncommon terms. This is uncommon minus this is uncommon, and these are factors of this. Therefore 2x square plus x minus 1 is equal to x plus 1 second factor 2x minus 1. These are 2 factors. Second example, polynomial is 2m square plus 5m minus 3. Now what is the first rule? First step, product of first and last. First coefficient is 2 multiplied by last is minus 3. Product is 2 3 are 6 minus 6. Now factors of minus 6. Factors of 6. 6 ones are and 3 twos are. Bigger here, smaller here. 6 ones are, 3 twos are. These are factors. Now next step is give the middle term sign to the bigger factor. Middle term sign. Middle term is second term. Middle term sign is plus, give to the bigger. Here and here also. Both are bigger. Plus sign, middle term sign, give to the bigger factor. Product is negative. If product is negative, write opposite of bigger here. Means sign of smaller will be opposite of bigger. Bigger signs are plus, opposite will be minus. Now let's add them. 6 minus 1, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Now what is our middle term? Our middle term is 5. That's why these factors are correct. Because middle term is 5. 5 is here. These are correct factors. Variable is m. If I write here m, here m, and here also m, is equal to, now first and last write as it is, 2m square, and replace middle term by these two factors, plus 6m minus 1m, and third from here as it is, minus 3. After this step, grouping, first group, second group, first group, second group. After grouping, common out. Here is 2, here is 6. Then from 2 and 6, what is common? 2 is common. Here m square, here is m. M is common in bracket. Uncommon write in the bracket. 2 is taken out, common. M from m square, m is there, plus m. Plus from 6. Now 6 divided by 2, 3. 3 is uncommon and m is already out. Minus. Here is 1, here is 3. What is smaller? 1. 1 is common. M is not there. M is here but not here. That's why m is not common. In bracket. Now 1 is out, m. Now like our previous example, out of bracket minus 1. That's why this sign will change. Plus 3. Last step, common bracket. This is common bracket. M plus 3 and uncommon second. 2m minus 1. These are factors. Therefore, 2m square plus 5m minus 3 is equal to m plus 3 second m 2m minus 1. These are factors of this polynomial. Example number 3. 12x square plus 61x plus 77. 12x square plus 61x plus 77. First step, we do the product of first and last. 12 multiplied by 77. Now if we multiply, we get a big product. That's why don't multiply them, factorize here only. 4 3s are multiplied by, and factors of 77, 11 3s are. Sorry, 11 7s are. These are factors. Now multiply, pairwise you multiply them. Now here 33 and here 7 4s are 28. These are factors, 33 and 28. Middle term sign is plus due to the bigger factor. Product is positive here, that's why same sign here. Now let's add. If we get 61 addition, then factors are correct. 30 plus 20 50, 61. And our middle term is also 61 here. Variable is x. Therefore, these are factors of middle is equal to 12x square. Now replace middle term by these two factors, plus 33x plus 28x and this last 77 as it is. After that grouping, we have to group. After grouping, common out. Here is 12 and here is 33. What is common in both? 3 is common. 3 from x square and x common. If we take 3 common here, 4 is there, uncommon. From x square, x is uncommon. Plus From 33 divided by 3 we get uncommon. 33 divided by 3 11. X is common, bracket close, plus now 28 and 77. What is common in both? In 28 and 77, 7 is common. 7 in bracket. X is not here, that's why X we cannot take. 7 4s are X plus 77 divided by 7 11 is equal to, last step now, common bracket. This is common bracket, 4x plus 11, and uncommon in second. Uncommon here 3x and here 7. And these are factors of this polynomial. Example number 4. 3y squared minus 2y minus 1. Product of first and last. First 3 multiplied by last minus 1. Product is minus 3. Now factors of minus 3, factors of 3 are 3 1s are. Middle term sign is minus. Middle term sign due to the bigger factor is here minus. Product is negative. If product is negative, smaller sign of smaller factor will be opposite of the bigger. And here bigger is negative, means minus, opposite of minus plus. And if we do subtraction here, we get minus 2. And our middle term is also minus 2. What is variable? Y. Y is here. Is equal to first term 3y square as it is. And now replace middle by these two. We have to replace here minus 3y plus 1y and this minus 1 as it is. After this grouping, after grouping common out. Here 3 common, here y square, here y common, in bracket, 3 common, y is uncommon, minus whole term is common, 1, plus here what is common, 1 is common, y minus 1. Last step, what is common bracket? Y minus 1 is common bracket and uncommon 3y plus 1. Uncommon we have to write in second bracket. These are factors of this polynomial. Example number 5. Square root of 3x square plus 4x plus square root of 3. First step, product of first and last. First square root of 3 multiplied by last square root of 3. Square root of 3 into square root of 3, 3 itself, and factors of 3, 3 1s are. This is prime, that's why 3 1s are 3. Middle term sign due to the bigger factor, plus product is positive, that's why same sign here. If we add here, we get 4, and 4 is our middle term. These factors are correct. Variable is x. It means these are our factors. First term as it is, replace second by these two, plus 3x plus 1x plus square root of 3 here as it is. After adding factors, grouping. After grouping, common. Now here is square root of 3, here is 3. This is irrational, this is rational. Then how to take common? Then write factors of this in terms of irrational. Then we can take common. Square root of 3x square plus, now I write factors of this, square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3. Square root of 3 into square root of 3, 3. X, first group, plus 1x plus square root of 3, second. Means one step is extra here for this. Is equal to, now common, square root of 3 common. Here is x square, here is x common in bracket. What is uncommon then? This is taken out. From here 1x is out, x plus from these two 1 is out as a common, 1 is in the bracket. X is already taken, bracket close, plus here 1 is common. When in both terms there is no common term, we take 1 common. And when we take 1 common, uncommon same as it is. It's x plus square root of 3. Last step now. What is common bracket? Common bracket This is common bracket. X plus square root of 3, and uncommon in second bracket. Uncommon is this, square root of 3x plus 1. These are two factors of this polynomial. Example number 6. 1 upon 2 x square minus 3x plus 4. Now we are in this polynomial, here is fraction, coefficient. Therefore, if any fraction is there as a coefficient, try to cancel that. Now if we don't want 2 here, we have to multiply by 2 to all. If we multiply by 2 here, 2 will cancel, means only x square is left. Multiply by 2, 3 2s are 6x plus 4 2s are 8. This and this is same. If we divide by 2, we get this here. But for factorization, it is easy. Now here is 1 multiplied by 8, first and last, 8 1s are 8. Right? Now factors of 8, there are two pairs, 8 1s are 8 and 4 2s are 8. Out of these two, what is correct? We will check. Middle term sign give to the bigger factor. Middle sign is minus, give to the bigger. Product is positive. If product is positive, same sign we have to write here. Same sign means here also negative. Now let's add them. Here minus 9 and here minus 6. What is our middle term? Minus 6 means these are the correct factors. What is variable here? X. This is the correct pair. Is equal to x square. Now replace this by these two. Minus 4x minus 2x plus 8. Grouping after that is equal to, from here common x only in bracket. What is uncommon? X minus 4. From this common 2 in bracket x minus 4 is equal to, now common bracket x minus 4 and uncommon x minus 2. These are the factors of this polynomial.